If you're looking for a matzo ball soup recipe, you need to try this. It's my version of matzo ball soup. So delicious, so healthy, and so homemade. Hey there, I'm Christina Monte-Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my version of matzo ball soup. I love this. I have been making this for 30 years. No joke. So here are the ingredients for my version of matzo ball soup. Carrots, celery, fresh dill, lemon, leeks, matzo ball soup mix, salt and pepper, eggs, reduced sodium bouillon, olive oil, and vegetable broth. Let's get started. So matzo ball soup mix. I've got 2 packets because I make a double batch. Then you want to add vegetable oil, then eggs. So simple, just mix it. Mix the matzo meal with the vegetable oil and the eggs. And then it needs to kind of stiffen up. So I put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. If you do not put this in the fridge, it will not work. So you need to mix it really well and then refrigerate it for 15-20 minutes. The longer you leave it in the fridge, the better. You want to just mix in the egg, oil, and the matzo meal till it looks nice and happy, and then we're gonna pop it in the fridge. Okay, so I've got 20 cups of water in a large soup pot that has a lid that goes with it. I added the soup mix from the matzo ball soup mix that I bought from the store. And the soup mix that they give you is basically just a consomme, like a dried powdered consomme. I put it in there because it actually seasons the matzo ball really nicely. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna put the lid on that pot and let that come to a boil. And then I'm gonna actually make my own matzo ball soup base right here with my own flavors. So I'm just using this water to boil the matzo ball, but I'm actually making my own broth and the whole matzo ball flavor in this one. Okay, so we're gonna get going in this pot right now. I'm gonna set the heat to medium high, and then I'm gonna just coat the bottom here with my olive oil. Just gonna put basic salt and pepper. I'm not really using a lot of herbs in here, just salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna put the leeks in and let those just start to slowly cook. So you just want to give the leeks like 1 minute of sauteing, not a lot, it's fine. Next, I'm gonna add my carrots. Add the carrots. Beautiful, and the celery. All right, and just let that cook together and saute for about 5 minutes, really until you notice the carrots are getting a little soft. You can always put a lid on if you want them to cook a little faster. This is a very good base if you're gonna make, I don't make it anymore, but chicken noodle soup or something. It's just salt, pepper, carrots, celery, leeks, or onions. It's so yummy. So let me check on my water. Oh yeah, this is boiling. My next step, I'm going to add my vegetable broth. What I find gives the matzo ball soup a really delicious flavor is I add the reduced sodium bouillon, and then I'm just gonna let this kind of come to a light boil as well. I have the one soup pot with my soup base, and the other is with the water for preparing the matzo balls. See my matzo ball mixture? It's looking good. It's been in the fridge for about 15 minutes, it's happy. So I just grab it and I just roll it into nice balls, and then we drop it into the boiling water. And you can decide to go small or big. I just do medium size. When you boil your matzo balls, this is so important. You must put the lid on the pot. If you do not, the matzo balls will break up and it will become mush. And that is my dog, because my awesome husband just walked in the door and he's knocking things over because he's a puppy. He doesn't know. Oh, no, don't eat the matzo ball. Don't eat my matzo ball, Luca.
It's mommy making. She eating matzo balls. It's eating matzo balls.
So this is a double batch, and as you see, it's making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 12 matzo balls, because I'm making medium-sized matzo balls. But you can make really tiny ones if you want, or you could just do really big. It's up to you. So the matzo balls are ready, and they're gonna go into the boiling water right now. I just drop them in with tongs. You could do whatever way you want. You want to make sure the water is boiling at like a medium-high heat. Set your timer for 20 minutes, exactly 20 minutes. Put the lid on the pot. Then you will have gorgeous, beautiful matzo balls. There we go. Now I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes and then these will be ready and basically the soup is done. Okay, my matzo balls have been boiling for 20 minutes. Oh, look at those guys. They are happy little campers. And why? Because I did not lift up the lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this burner off. So now I'm gonna move these into this soup pot. And then I'll take some of this water from the matzo ball water, but I won't use all of it because I really like the flavor that I create with this soup base that you saw me make a few minutes ago. All right, 25 minutes ago, basically. All right, so this is, oh, it's looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of the water, I'm gonna add it in. And really, we're basically done here. I'm gonna add some fresh lemon juice and some fresh dill. And there you have it. Delicious, healthy, satisfying matzo ball soup. All right. Oh, it smells so good. All right, and it goes well with my cheesy garlic bread, and you will see that recipe on this channel. So I'm just gonna do some fresh dill, my matzo ball soup. Oh, it smells delicious. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of fresh lemon juice. This just really enhances the flavor of the soup. It's absolutely delicious this way. And now I'm gonna add some fresh lemon juice. Don't want a seed. And you can add whatever amount you want. My finishing touch, just some beautiful fresh dill. And there you go. Delicious, healthy, satisfying matzo ball soup. So there you have it, my version of matzo ball soup. I hope you check out this recipe. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching.